Are you looking for ways to make money online? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT to make money from the comfort of your own home. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used for a variety of tasks, including content creation, translation, and more. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can earn money in a variety of ways, from writing articles and blog posts to providing translation services. So if you're ready to learn how to make money with ChatGPT, keep watching. The video is going to be awesome, so make sure you stick to the end. Be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a platform that connects businesses and individuals who need help with various tasks. It offers a range of ways to earn money online, including writing articles, creating video content, participating in surveys, providing feedback and reviews, and referring others to the platform. ChatGPT is easy to use, and it provides a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to find and complete tasks. Overall, ChatGPT is a great way to earn money online, while helping businesses and individuals accomplish their goals. One of the ways to make money with ChatGPT is by writing articles and blog posts. ChatGPT allows users to create writing prompts that assist in writing articles and blog posts efficiently. These writing prompts can range from creating product reviews to writing in-depth articles on various topics. To get started, users can browse through the writing prompts on ChatGPT and select the ones that align with their interests and skills. Users can also create their own writing prompts. Also, users should focus on producing high-quality content that meets the specific requirements of the task. By following these tips, users can maximize their earnings through writing tasks on ChatGPT. One way to make money with ChatGPT is to create a website or app. Don't worry, you don't need to know how to code. With certain step-by-step instructions, you can prompt ChatGPT on how to create certain software. With the right marketing and promotional strategies, you can sell website templates or even WordPress plugins. It's important that you test your code at every stage before you deploy your software. You want your software to be free of bugs and operate seamlessly for users. With ChatGPT, you can turn your passion for creating apps into a profitable source of income. Making and selling comic books can be a lucrative way to make money with ChatGPT. If you are a talented artist or writer, you can create your own unique comic books. With ChatGPT as your sidekick, you can write your comic book storyline. Keep in mind that you can't use ChatGPT to draw images, but other platforms allow you to create art using artificial intelligence. To make your comic books more attractive to buyers, ensure they are visually appealing, have a unique storyline, and are well formatted, and selling comic books can be a great way to make some extra money. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money with ChatGPT. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products to your audience and earn a commission for each person who signs up through your unique referral link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can create a blog or social media account where you can share information about certain products with your target audience. You can also use ChatGPT to write product reviews, create how-to guides, and share your personal experiences to attract potential users. To maximize your earnings, it is important to target your audience effectively and build trust with your followers. You can also leverage email marketing and paid advertising to reach a wider audience. With affiliate marketing, you can earn passive income by promoting a product that you already use and believe in. One way to make money with ChatGPT is to work as an online tutor. ChatGPT provides a platform for tutors to quickly learn various subjects, ranging from academic subjects to language learning. With a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, you can assist students by helping them learn certain subjects, create lesson plans, and quickly create homework assignments. As an online tutor, you can set your own hours and rates, making it a flexible option for those who want to earn extra income. To get started, you will need to create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, and then you can start accepting students and scheduling sessions. To be a successful online tutor, it's important to have excellent communication skills, be patient, and have a deep understanding of the subject you are teaching. Working as an online tutor with ChatGPT as your assistant can be a rewarding and lucrative way to make money online. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to become a faceless YouTuber. This involves creating engaging content for your YouTube channel. The best part is that you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face on camera. Faceless YouTubers are becoming increasingly popular as they offer a unique approach to content creation that allows the focus to be on the topic rather than the person presenting it. To get started, you can research trending topics and create engaging scripts that will appeal to viewers. You can then use screen recording software to create videos and edit them using video editing software. This approach can be a great way to make money online as it allows you to monetize your videos and earn a share of the advertising revenue generated by your content. It's important to focus on creating high-quality content that will engage viewers and keep them coming back for more. So becoming a faceless YouTuber with ChatGPT can be a profitable way to make money online. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by working as a social media manager. Many businesses and individuals require assistance in managing their social media presence, and ChatGPT provides a platform for skilled individuals to create content for social media. As a social media manager, you will be responsible for creating and scheduling posts, responding to comments and messages, and growing the client's social media following. You will need to have a strong understanding of social media platforms and their algorithms, as well as excellent communication and marketing skills. With ChatGPT, you can create engaging content at a faster pace for more clients, and it can be a profitable way to make money online. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering services for email marketing. Many businesses and organizations require assistance with their email marketing campaigns, and ChatGPT provides a platform for users to offer their services in this area. As a service provider, you can offer various email marketing services such as creating email templates, managing email lists, designing newsletters, and analyzing campaign results. With the right skills and a strong portfolio, you can quickly establish yourself as a trusted email marketing service provider. Using ChatGPT to create email marketing is another way to print money. Thank you for watching How to Make Money with ChatGPT. We hope that the tips and strategies shared in this video will be helpful for you to start earning money. Remember, success in making money requires consistent effort, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Keep exploring different opportunities and always be on the lookout for new ideas. We wish you all the best in your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.